Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a great remedy that will help you to get rid of all of your skin tag, skin warts and skin mole. Okay, alright, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Do thumbs up this video and subscribe, and let me take you right into this video. To remove skin tag, guys, you're going to be needing this stone. This stone is called potash or cam or akam. Okay, so those are the few names that I know that it is being called. This is actually very good for the skin because it helps to dry out excessive oil on the skin. Applying potash to the skin tag area would help to dry it out and kill it off overnight. And how we're going to be getting, now what we're going to do is that we're going to create the potash to get the potash powder, because that is actually what we're going to be using. Okay, so you're going to get a crater and then you're going to create this. Alright, so we've actually gotten a good amount of the potash powder, and this is actually going to be enough for any skin tag, warts or mole. You can see that. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing to add up is going to be bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Now baking soda is a mild exfoliant to the skin. It helps to exfoliate dead skin cells. Mixing it alongside with potash would definitely help to kill skin tag. Applying it to skin warts would dry it all up, and then it will make it fall off in the next 24 hours or 48 hours. So what we're going to do is that we're going to transfer the potash powder into a smaller bowl for mixing. And now we're going to be putting 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the potash powder, and now we're going to mix this all up together. Now trust me guys, this is actually very effective for any stubborn skin warts or skin tag. Okay guys, so to liquidify this, we're going to be needing apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is great for the skin. Apple cider vinegar that is organic and contain the mortar in it would help so much to smoothen out the skin. It will equally help to remove dead skin cells. Now the particles in this apple cider vinegar, mixing it alongside with potash and baking soda would help in killing off your skin tag, skin wart and skin mole, and it's going to help to repair a damaged skin. It is also very beneficial for dark spots. So we're going to be putting a little quantity of the apple cider vinegar into the potash and baking soda, and this is the reaction you get when you mix these 3 ingredients all up. Okay, you don't have to put too much. If your own turn out to be too liquid, then you have to make sure to solidify it, okay, by putting in just a little quantity of baking soda. Okay guys, so now how you're going to use this, you have to use this mixture for 3 days, okay? After 3 days, be rest assured that all of your skin tag, skin warts, skin mole will be falling off really well. Okay, so let me show you how you're going to use this. Okay, you would have to excuse me to use my hands. All right, now you would have to take this treatment. If you're having skin tag, wart and mole on your neck, and they are very tiny and little, what you do is that you would have to rub this over. So you have to rub this over just like this, okay, and then you leave it there for it to dry. Okay, now you have to be careful, okay, but if it is on your face, you do not need to rub it like this, because the skin on the face is actually very sensitive, so it might burn you when you rub it like this. But if it's on your neck, or if it's on your neck, on your hands, or every other place, you can actually rub it like this. Okay, now let me show you how you're going to be rubbing it on your face. That's if you have this problem on your face. Okay guys, so if you have skin tag on your face, then you would have to take this mixture and apply it just on that area in which you're having the problem areas, just like this. Okay, now make sure it covers all of the skin tags, skin warts, and skin moles, okay, so that this can be very effective and working really well for you. Okay, now when you rub it like this, you would have to look for something to cover it up, like a plaster or a nylon, something to just wrap it up so that it doesn't actually just fall off. Okay, and then you would have to hold this on your skin for a couple of hours. All right, now after that, then you have to repeat this treatment the next day and the third day. Now for some people, when you repeat this treatment the second day, it will fall off all of the skin tag. That's if you do it just exactly as I have shown you in this video. Okay, now for some people it will also fall off the third day. Okay, but you have to be consistent for just 3 days, and all of the skin tag, warts, and mole will definitely be gone. This works really well, guys. You do not need to overlook it. It works like magic. Okay, so go try it out and let me know at the comment section after 3 days. So this is just a great way in which you are going to get rid of all of those skin tag, okay, and skin wart, as well as skin mole. Okay, this is actually going to help you a whole lot, and you are going to be loving it. Yeah, so if you do enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Ciao, bye guys.